Hi everyone! Look at this wonderful package which I have got today from Johanna Basford studio. You probably know that the next book by Johanna will be available very soon and that it will be not a coloring book but more like a textbook, how to draw your own pictures in Johanna style. I was very proud and very happy when Johanna's team contacted me and to offered me to make a review of the new book. And Johanna was so kind to send me her personal postcard, very sweet message, and a lot of beautiful supplies. Everything looked very stylish, and now I am totally equipped to be ready to start my learning course how to draw in Inky Wonderlands style. I really love this wooden pendant. If you love Johanna's style, I highly recommend you to go to her YouTube channel where she already posted a couple of tutorials how to draw simple flowers in her style and where she will continue to post tutorials. And also, there is a wonderful Facebook group completely dedicated to the learning how to draw, and I will leave you links to the group down in the info box. Size of the book is similar to the size of the Ivy coloring book, but it seemed to me that this book is heavier. I think that it's printed on slightly heavier, slightly thicker paper, so it's very pleasant to touch and to look at. I really love all those small embellished elements. Everything is very shiny, very festive, and of course everything is made in Johanna style. I believe that I have here a UK edition. Book is published by Penguin's Book, and as I said, quality of the paper is superb. And I believe that there will be also a US edition. To start your learning experience, you won't need a lot of art supplies. Just some regular paper, not very thick. If you use paper similar to this one, which is only 45 GSM, you will be able to practice on one sheet to draw lessons from the book with your pencil, and then when you are satisfied with your sketch, you can outline, you can trace a final look of your page with liners on the clear sheet of paper, and that's why it will be easier to use not very thick semi-transparent paper, just like this. For drawing, Johanna recommends to use pencil like 2B, and for outlining the final picture to use liners. She very kindly sent this wonderful set of Stedler liners. There are 6 in the pack and all are by different sizes. I love Stedler products and I especially love how they pack their liners and felty pens. Package is very comfy to stand on the table and it's really very easy to find everything you need in the package. It's nice to have a set of liners with different sizes of nibs. It will be really easy to draw everything from small details to relatively bigger objects. Very helpful set both for start learning experience in Johanna's book and maybe to draw something for October, which will start tomorrow. Now let me make a quick flip through of the book. It's made like a real textbook and it's a double pleasure. We can color in it like in the simple coloring book, and as I said, paper quality is amazing, very thick and suitable for pencils, felty pens, liners, gel pens, for watercolors, so for everything. And also it's suitable for drawing. As in the real textbook, in the beginning we have a list of art supplies which we will need for practicing, for learning, for doing exercises, and then we have tutorials from the very beginning to the more difficult ones, from how to draw simple shapes, simple flowers, simple leaves, and then gradually how to do more difficult things like filling in empty backgrounds, like doing borders, again from very simple to more difficult and complicated ones, how to create a well-balanced compositions of flowers, of leaves, how to draw composition in different geometrical shapes, and this is the most interesting part for me. All explanations are very detailed. Johanna guides us step by step from the very beginning, from the planning of the composition, then from drawing the main object, then filling in space between the main object with smaller elements, and in the end, how to get well balanced composition and finished final result. So I'm sure that this book will be interesting and very easy to practice with for everyone from beginners to more advanced users and for all ages. I think that it would be fun to learn and to draw together with your children. In the book we have different themes like garden, like ocean, like different objects, then patterns and borders. So if you're afraid of empty backgrounds, you will also find some very helpful hints how to fill empty backgrounds. I was very interested in the drawing borders. Lately I really loved to add borders for many of my pictures, so I plan to learn this part and to use it not only in Johanna's book but also in Hannah Carson or Maria Trolle. And you can practice inside the book to draw on the pages, or as I said, to use some simple sheet of paper to make preliminary sketches and then put the final finished picture in the book. I think that it's a great approach to make these step-by-step tutorials from the simpler form to the more detailed image, and in this way I think that with help of this book no one will be afraid to start drawing. I thank you for joining me and for sharing my joy from this wonderful gift from Johanna. Remember about Johanna's channel with tutorials and about Johanna's Inky School Facebook group. Links will be in the info box, and I see you in my next videos.